Don't be afraid if it feels like you're losing. Be ready to release what no longer serves you. You must make space for the life that you desire by releasing everything that no longer aligns with the version of you who has it already. Let me talk to you. In order to upgrade, you must release the downloads of your past. There's no way for this version of you to have everything that the best version of you has. And yes, we have compassion for everything that you used to be. You see, I used to be scared. I used to be afraid. I used to hide myself. I used to feel insecure. And now the world sees me stretch and sing and dance and be. And you see, it's all because I decided to update my software. So comment empower down below if you are ready to step into your inner goddess glow. It's time to ascend with movement, breath, and meditation. I love you, and I trust in your transformation.